Good morning, everyone. My name is Manvitha. I'm studying grade 7 Laurel High Global School. Today, I'm going to present about the history of popular social media platforms. The timeline of social media platforms. Social media has been really useful for our lives since 2002. It has been connecting us from all worldwide. In 2002, LinkedIn was added to the list of social media platforms. 2 years after, in 2004, Facebook, which has now changed its name to Meta, has been launched. In 2005, the first ever large-scale video sharing website launched, which makes it easy to watch videos ever since, which is now known as YouTube. The following next year, Twitter, a service to which people can be connected, is launched and has been in use since 2006. 2 years after YouTube was launched, a website called Tumblr was launched. It lets you share anything, post, text, quotes, anything. No platform was launched until 3 years until it was for 2010 when Instagram was and Pinterest were launched. Thank you.